If you pass all your exams, I'll buy you a big present. If you pass your driving test, then I'll buy you a new car. If you answer my prayers, I'll be forever grateful. If you say yes, I'll make you the happiest woman on earth. If you give me £5, I'll give you it back tomorrow. If you don't say yes, I'll start crying. If you don't eat your broccoli, you won't become big and strong. If you can't get the bus to school, I'll take you in my car. If you work for me, I'll pay you a very high salary. If you graduate from university with a first-class honours, I'll treat you to a 2-week holiday in America. If you're late for work again, I'll fire you. If you're late for class again, I'll sellotape you to the wall. If you lend me the money, I'll pay you back when I get paid. If you don't start doing some housework, you will be very sorry. If you do anything to me, then I will fight back. If you don't stop throwing things, I will send you to your room. If you continue to eat junk food, you will have serious health consequences in the future. If he doesn't tidy his room, he won't be allowed to play football. If you wash my car, I'll give you £100. If you drink lots of water, you won't become dehydrated.